Since removal of the disassembly latch can be done at any time after you field strip your gun, it matters not when you want to take it off. We might as well do it now. Press onto the disassembly latch button and push it in as much as you can. While pushing it in, use the other hand to rotate the disassembly latch lever counterclockwise until you hit the frame rail. Remember, you're still pressing on that button. When the latch is near the rail like this, you are able to slide it away from the frame just a tad. Then, when the rail is no longer an obstacle, rotate the latch counterclockwise a bit further. At this time, you can let go of the button on the other side. As you can see, the parts are separated and you can slide them out. The button also has a little spring underneath. Don't lose it.